Now I'm going to try another one with the ice blue, blue sapphire, and blue topaz. Good day. I'm doing quail door 4 for the quail cages. I have 6 of them to do, and I just wanted to add a splash of color instead of just having plain doors. And I wanted to blow them. So I'm going to do another one, and this time I'm going to try the opposite. I'm going to do the dark in the middle, the sapphire, then the pretty, see, I'm already forgetting what colors I'm using, and then the ice blue. I think I'll do a little bit more of this. I like that color. Now, I probably put too much paint on again, but we'll see. Okay, I'm going to blow dry. Alright, I think I'm going to leave that one there. I love that color. That is just gorgeous. So, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.